In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to draw a perfect square in Photoshop using the rectangle tool and customize its fill and stroke colors. We'll start by choosing the right tool, look to the toolbar and select the rectangle tool. The fastest way is to press the U key on your keyboard. If you see a different shape active, just keep tapping U until the rectangle icon appears. This tool is perfect for clean, precise shapes and gives you flexibility to edit later. Before drawing, check the options bar at the top of your screen. Make sure the mode is set to shape. This setting tells Photoshop to create a vector shape layer, which means your square will stay crisp at any size and you can adjust its properties without losing quality. If it's set to path or pixels, switch it to shape so you get a fully editable object with fill and stroke controls. Now, let's draw the square. Move your cursor onto the canvas, click and drag to start forming the rectangle and hold the Shift key as you drag. Holding Shift constrains the proportions and locks the shape into a perfect square. Keep Shift held down until you release your mouse to maintain that perfect 1:1 ratio. If you see a rectangle instead of a square, simply try again while keeping Shift pressed the entire time you're dragging. With the square in place, customize its appearance from the same options bar. You'll see controls for fill and stroke. Fill is the color inside your square. Stroke is the color that outlines its edges. Click the fill swatch to open the color options and choose a color that fits your design. You can pick from the swatches, select a solid color, or open the color picker to fine-tune the hue. Then click the stroke swatch to set the outline color. If you don't want an outline at all, choose the option for no color so the stroke is hidden. If you do want an outline, choose a contrasting color so it stands out against the fill. A quick tip while choosing colors: consider the overall contrast and readability in your layout. A strong contrast between the fill and the background makes the square more visible, while a subtle outline can add clarity without drawing too much